Can you fix Reddit not saving posts? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, if you're having any kinds of problem while saving the post or on the app itself, you want to check your internet connection first. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to simply go to your Play Store to check for some updates. Here you want to simply search for Reddit application, and if any kind of update is available, you want to simply update it from here. After that, you want to simply open your Reddit application again, try again to save a post over here. Tap on three dots and you want to simply click on save. And what you want to do is you want to simply go to this U tab over here, tap on three dots at the top right of your screen and go to the saved option to see if your post has been saved on your profile or not. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.